Today I'm going to review McDonald's newest 3 crispy chicken sandwiches that just came out. This is the spicy crispy chicken, the deluxe crispy chicken, and the regular crispy chicken. 3 new crispy chicken sandwiches from McDonald's. I'll review and rate them next. So here I am at McDonald's and see the new chicken sandwiches digital ad on the menu screen. And here's my receipt of the cost of these chicken sandwiches. Alright, we've got McDonald's. We've got the new chicken sandwiches that just came out yesterday. So I'm gonna do a review on all 3 of these. So let's see what we got. Got some ranch just in case. Got the spicy crispy chicken. I like how they put these in the bag. Very similar to Popeyes and Chick-Fil-A. This is the original crispy chicken. And then we've got the deluxe crispy chicken. So these are all the 3 new chicken sandwiches from McDonald's. And then they have the regular dollar McChicken. So we're gonna try these out and I'm gonna see how these taste like and I'll give you my review and rating. So this is how I'm gonna review it. Crispy chicken sandwich, then the deluxe crispy chicken, and then the spicy crispy chicken. So let's go take a look at what we've got inside. Okay, it's foiled with the sandwich inside. They're very warm because I just got it. Okay, we got like a brioche bun. Correction, these are not brioche bun. They're the new buttered potato roll, according to their website. We've got the chicken patty, which is pretty thick. And we've got like 2 pickles. I don't know if this came with sauce, but it doesn't look like it. It's just pickle in the patty, the chicken, and then the bun. It's pretty thick chicken. Okay, we've got the deluxe crispy chicken. So we've got the lettuce, tomato, and then we've got mayo. Yeah. And there's no sauce on the bottom. It's just the top with the lettuce and tomato. Same chicken patty. I guess they just put the lettuce, tomato, and mayo. And then the spicy chicken sandwich. Okay, this one has like a pepper sauce with 2 pickles. So I guess this one is the only difference between the crispy chicken and the spicy crispy chicken is that it has sauce on it. And I believe this is the spicy sauce. Oh, and they put sauce on the bottom as well. Okay. The patty looks a little smaller, but it's still thick than the original. Let me see. Can you see? This is the original, and this was the spicy. It's a little bigger. It's okay though. All right, let's go ahead and taste test these. How do they compare with Chick-fil-A and Popeyes? We've got same packaging. Crispy chicken. Crispy chicken was $4.29. This was $4.29. This looks plain, no sauce, just pickles. I like the texture of the chicken and the coating. Let me add some pickles in there. It's a little drier than Popeyes, the chicken. And it's not as tasty as Chick-Fil-A from my initial first bites. Pickle's gonna fall. So it tastes a little dry. And again, this one has no sauce on it. So I feel like it would be better with some kind of sauce. So I brought my ranch. I asked for some side ranch. Wait, let me take one more bite. When you can get the pickle in the bite with the chicken, you get a little bit of juice in there, but there's only 2 pickles, and I feel like it's still a little dry. It needs a little bit more. It needs sauce in here. But the pickle does add a little juice. You could ask for extra pickle. Okay, let's go ahead with the next one. This Deluxe crispy chicken. This one looks good. I think this would be more like my alley. This one or this one. But I like the veggies in here, the tomato and the lettuce and mayo sauce. So let's try. This one does not have pickles, just lettuce, tomato, and mayo. But the mayo does add a little more, it adds a little more juice in here than that one. Also, that tomato juice that you bite in when you bite into the tomato mixed with the mayo, it's very good. It's almost similar to their previous crispy chicken sandwich that had the lettuce, tomato, and mayo, but I feel like this one's a little better. The chicken is thicker. This one's not bad. Yeah, I'm loving the mayo, tomato, and lettuce combo. It almost reminds me of like even the Jack in the Box spicy chicken sandwich, except this chicken sandwich is not as crispy as Jack in the Box. The breading is a little, as you can see, a little more dried and plain. Okay, so that was that. Clean my palates before I get into the spice. Okay, so let's try the spicy. Let's see how spicy this is. Spicy crispy chicken. The sauce looks good. It's looking good. Okay. I'm gonna bite into pickle as well. Spice is kicking in. This is pretty spicy than I thought. Oh yeah, the spice like really kicks in. Pepper, I don't know what kind of pepper. Oh yeah, this has a good spice. I wouldn't say this one is for kids. This is not for kids. It's too spicy for them. If you love spice, this is the one. It's spicier than I thought, but it has a good spice kick. It's not like hot, but it's above average. I wonder what this sauce is made out of. Okay. Yeah, this has a good, very spicy kick to it. I don't think McDonald's has ever gone this spicy. It's even spicier than Popeyes, Chick-Fil-A. I'm wondering, this might be the spiciest chicken sandwich from a fast food restaurant. Yeah, this might be the spiciest chicken sandwich. Okay. Let me see how this tastes with ranch. Because I said this was a little dried, but on its own. Oh yeah, so much better with sauce. Dip this one in your favorite sauce. So much better. If I had to rate these three, I would say my least favorite is this one. I would say my favorite is this one out of these three. The lettuce, tomato, and mayo goes really well. And this was the most expensive one at $5.39. This was, yeah. So I would go first, this is my favorite, then second favorite, the spicy chicken, and then last, the crispy chicken. Okay, so if I was to rate these, I would give the crispy chicken sandwich 6.5. It's a little dried, but I feel like you need to add sauce on it to add more flavor. I think the 2 pickles on it is not enough to make it juicy. Then I would go with this next spicy crispy chicken. I would give this a 7. The sauce is spicy. So if you love spice, try this one out. Not for kids though. So I'll give this a 7. I'm not sure if I would order this one again though. Maybe not. And I would give this one an 8. 8 out of 10. The deluxe crispy chicken. This one was pretty good. If I had to compare it with Popeyes chicken sandwich or Chick-Fil-A's chicken sandwich, I still think this is behind. Even this one, it's still behind Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. They're in my opinion, I think they're still better. But this one did improve a little bit more than their last crispy chicken sandwich. Just a little better. But this one's not bad. 8 is like a good score. 8 out of a 10. So I would say I would order this one again. I don't know about ordering these two. This one's was the best out of these 3. So yeah, that was my review on the new crispy chicken sandwiches from McDonald's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe give you some good insight on my opinions and ratings. So thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate. See you in the next one. Aloha.